Hello, we are here for the drinking bird, which is a thing. Gravitational. Okay, so it starts with motion, that goes to gravitational, that goes to chemical, that goes to motion, that goes to gravitational. And we'll show it to you.
None of this is being burned.
Basically.
So there's no chemical energy in here. There's none.
All the okay, so if you're watching close enough, you can see bubbles come up, which makes the head lighter.
But gravity
Makes
pushes
the head
it down.
lighter come back up, and it keeps going and going and going, and the water keeps rising.
Not yet, at least.
So it keeps going over and over again.
It does. He turns it into motion.
So yeah.
Do you agree?